Okay, just like that, you will start loving these numbers. Okay, you will not be able to learn all of a sudden, right? So there must be someone to help you play with these numbers, right? So I'll introduce him to you within a few minutes. Not now, within a few minutes. He'll be on your screen. So we call this game as abacus. What do we call it? It is called abacus, and it's a game which will make you creative. You will start thinking. You will make all these creative things and you'll become artistic. If you don't like to draw or you things like that, you'll start becoming artistic, and it will also increase your imagination power. Like if your teacher is telling you to write a story and you're not able to write it, right? You are thinking, and then once there was a boy, that's it. You're not able to move forward. So it will increase your imagination power. Okay. And many of you might be thinking, I'm repeating abacus every now and then. Most of you might be thinking, what is it? What is abacus? Okay, let's see what is it through a small presentation. I'm going to share my screen with you and we'll see what it is through the presentation.
Take the notepad.
Okay. Hope you can see my screen. Yeah? Yes? If you're
Yes.
able to see my screen, just thumbs up. Yeah. Mrityunjay? Okay, fine. So, Wonder Brains. You're going to become Wonder Brains. Okay? Present you're going to gift you this. Fine? Okay. Do you know what it is? Abacus means A stands for abundant. That means plenty, many. B for beads. There is some beads in that abacus. And A stands for addition. C for calculation. U for utility. And S for system. That is called abacus. Abundant. So can you see the screen? Tool. Yes, this is what is called abacus tool. You're going to use this tool. Okay. And why do you need abacus? What is the use of it? You're studying maths in your school, and what is the need of it, right? Why it is? Because it is one of the most effective methods to do mental maths. You know, some of the people, they do maths calculating in their brains, right? Without pen, pencil, anything, they start calculating. So for that, you need abacus. Okay. And it also helps you in basic addition, multiplication, subtraction, division, decimal points, negative numbers, everything. If we give every numbers jumbled, mixed together, you will be able to do it. Smart brains, right? You'll become smart kids after using this. So there are different ways. Okay, there are different ways to do this calculation. Okay, calculation on fingers. I'll be showing a small video, a small boy doing this. Okay, fine. So I'll be telling you what it is. Calculation on fingers, on the tool that I've showed you. And there is visual calculation, screen visual calculation, and mind calculation, right? You're confused so much. So I'll show you what it is like. Okay, look at this video. Okay, shall I start? He's a small boy. Okay, and you will see how he's doing his calculation very fast. Okay, let's see what he's doing. Okay, he is doing his calculation on tool. Okay, it's a tool calculation, and sir is asking him all mixed calculation, addition, subtract, everything. So he's doing it on the tool. Next one. Okay, he was doing it on fingers. Okay, there was plus 55, plus 11, minus, and all the double digit numbers, and he was doing it on his fingers. Now he's going to do a visual calculation. Okay, look at him. Okay, this was a visual calculation and he was doing it visually. Fine. So okay, this is what it is. Fine. Now would you like to do this? Yes? Yeah, Vihan is ready, right? Yes. Vihan he wants to do it. And did you notice the boy was using his left hand? Was he using his right hand? No, right? He was using his left hand. Do you know why? No. How many of you are using your right hand? Just raise your hands. Right hand. Okay. All of you are right. Okay. Now what happens is it is a scientific reason behind it. There is a reason. It's a secret. Okay. Don't tell it to anyone. Okay. That scientific reason is when we use our right hand, our left brain gets activated. Okay. Our left brain gets activated. And what does our left brain do? It starts all these calculations and logic and reasoning and everything. It does that. And when we use our left hand, our right brain gets activated. Our right brain, can you say this? The blue one is left brain and the red color is your right brain. Your right brain is all enjoyment, like he's creative, artistic, he has all kinds of feelings, imagination. So how many of you understand that your creativity is not working because you're not using your left hand? Yes. Yes, if both of your mind starts working, brain starts working, what will happen? You will become smart kids, right? You will become so smart. So I hope you want to become one among them, right? So one more thing I want to say, you accompany your parents to the market, right? So your parents are buying all these things and sometimes people might cheat, shopkeeper might cheat, right? So when you go along with your parents now, they cannot cheat because you know the calculations, mental calculations, right? So you will be very excited to play this game. Now I'm going to introduce to you your mentor, your teacher. His name is Kuldeep. Okay, he is Kuldeep. I'm fine. So he has been teaching in 10 different countries and 15 different schools, and he has been certified, ISI certified, and he has won national championship. So we have such a wonderful teacher with us. So would you like to join with him? Would you like to say him? Yeah? Yes?
I'm shaking your head.
Yeah, you would like to see him. He's very interesting person. He's very cute, and he'll be friendly with you. Okay, so now it's time for your live demo class. So I'm handing over the rest of my time to your abacus trainer, Mr. Kuldeep. Okay, let's see him.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Everyone, good afternoon. And hello, kids. How are you? Kuldeep here. I hope you love to have a demo class. So let's get started. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Good, very good. And now, right now, you have a no tool. You have a no tool. This is abacus. Okay. This is abacus. Right now, you have a no tool. So first of all, we learn counting on finger. Okay. First of all, we learn counting on finger. Okay. Are you ready? Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Now, please raise your left hand. Raise your left hand, please. Raise your left hand, please. Now, we are learning counting 1 to 9 counting. Okay, good. Please left hand. Okay, good. This is make this type position, please. Good, very good. Okay, very good, please. Now this is 0. Okay, this is 0. Good. Please make this type position. Very good, very good. Wait, please. Now this is 0. Okay, this is 0. Understood? Good. Very good. Now, this is 1. Okay? 1. 1 means God. Okay? Left hand. Shia, please use your left hand, beta. Use your left hand.
Left hand.
Good. Very good. Now, this is 1. 1 means God. Now, this is 2. 2 means victory. Very good. Now, this is 3. 3 means W. Very good. And now, this is 4. 4 means snake. Look like this is snake. Okay, 4 means snake. Very good. Now, this is 5. We call 5 in abacus counting. Okay, now this is 5. Okay, very good. And now, this is 6. Mathunjan, please make this type position. 6. Very good. 6 means smile. Very good. Smile. Very good. Now this is 7. 7 means gun. It will look like gun. Okay. Very good. Now this is 8. 8 means octopus. Octopus. Very good. 8 means octopus. And last, this is 9. 9 means slab. Okay, 9 means slab. Okay, very good. Thank you for. Now, once again, this is 1. Good. Now 2, 3, then 4. Very good. Now, this is 5. Very good. This is 5. Okay, very good. Now, this is 6. Vihan, your finger movement is wrong. This is wrong. This is correct. Okay, this is 6. 6 means smile. Very good. Now, this is 7. 7 means gun. Okay, very good. Now, this is 8.
Octopus.
Very good. Octopus. 8 means octopus. This is wrong position. This is correct position. Look like please. This type is correct position and this is wrong position. Look like this. Good. Very good. Now this is 8. 8 means octopus. And now this is 9. 9 means
Flap.
okay. Very good. Now once again continue and fast please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, let's start. Once again, please. Ready? 0, please. 0, 0, 0. Now 1,
Show your right hand.
2,
Same. 1.
3, then 4. Very good. Now 5. Very good. Now 6, then 7, then 8, then 9. Okay. Very good. Please tell me how can make 10 on finger? How can make 10 on finger? Oh, Arhat, right. And Vihan say this is 10. This is not 10. This is 9. This is not 5. This is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is not 5. Okay, this is 9. Look like how can make 10 on finger. Okay, look like this is 10. Okay, this is 10. This is 2, 0, 20. 3, 0, 30. Now 4, 0, 40. Now 9, 0, 90. Look like how can make 10 on finger. This is 10. Okay, now 1 on left hand. 1 on left hand. Please make 1 on left hand. This is 1. This is 0. 1, 0, 10. Okay, very good. 1, 0, 10. Now 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 6, 16. 1, 7, 17. 1, 8, 18. 1, 9, 19. Very good. Now 2, 0, 20. Look like 2 on left hand and 0 and right hand. 2, 0, 20. Okay, very good. Now we are ready. Now 3, 0. This is 3. This is 3. Okay. Now this is 3, 0, 30. Okay, very good. Now 3, 0, 30. Good. Now this is 4, 0, 40. Now this is 9, 0, 90. Okay, very good. Please, please tell me how can make 10. Please tell me. Okay, 1 second. Wait, please. 1 second. Wait. Wait, please. Okay, okay, sorry. So we are really sorry. We are play a video. Our students, one video we are play. Last class we are play a video in last class. Okay, now continue, please. Sorry for disturb. Continue. Now this is 9. Okay, this is not 5. This is 9. Okay. Now this is 9 and this is 0. 9, 0, 90. Okay, now this is 90, 90, now 91, 92, 93, 94, then 95. Okay, now 96, 97, 98, 99, 99. Okay, now this is 9, 9, 99. This is not 10. Are you understood? This is not 10. This is 9, 9, 99. Okay, now please. This is last digit. How can make 100 on finger? How can make 100 on finger? Okay, Vivan is trying. Oh, very good. Now this is not perfect, but it's for just fun. This is 1. Okay, now this is 1. Look like this is 1. This is bada 0, and this is chota 0. Big 0, small 0. Okay, understood? Okay, better. Good. Now let's start. Now we are doing addition subtraction. Now we are doing addition subtraction. Please raise your left hand. Raise your left hand, please. Ready? Left hand, please. Abhiram, please use your left hand, better. Use your left hand. Don't use your right hand. Okay. Now very good. Now Mathunje, ready, please. Ready? Raise your left hand, please. Left hand. Don't use your right hand. Good. Now plus 0, please. This is 0. 0. Okay, now plus 2, 2 finger up. Very good. Now minus 2, 2 finger down. Very good. Plus 3, 3 finger up. Very good. Then minus 3, 3 finger down. Very good. Plus 2, plus 1. I say plus 2 and plus 1. Not this is wrong position. Matyunjay, this is wrong. This is correct. Now answer is 3. Very good. Now once again, ready please? 0. 0. Ready beta. Ready please? Plus 2 plus 2. I see. Plus 2 plus 2. Very good. Now, very good. Now minus 3, then plus 2. Vihan, use your left hand please. Answer is once again 3. Very good. 3 is correct. Once again, let's start please. Now 0. 0, continue please. Continue. 0. Plus 1. Then plus 2. Very good. Minus 1. Very good. Then plus 2. Very good. Abhiram, your finger movement is very well. Vihan, your finger is also very good. Shia, your finger movement is very good. Very good, Beta. Now, minus 3. I say minus 3. Very good. Good. Now, then minus 1. Answer is 0. Okay, very good. Answer is 0. Once again, please listen carefully. We are doing addition, simple addition, subtraction with our finger. Ready? Ready, please. Plus 1, minus 1, plus 2. Very good. Vihan, I say plus 2. Don't say plus 3. Matyunjay, I say plus 2, beta. This is correct, this is wrong. I track you. Abacus is a brain game and not study. Okay, listen carefully once again, please. Once again. Ready? Ready, please. Ready? Listen carefully. 0, please. 0. 0. Ready? Plus 3. Minus 3. Very good. Plus 4. Shia, I say plus 4. This is 2. 2 is wrong. Plus 4 is correct. Okay. Abacus is a brain game. We are doing brain exercise. Okay. Very good. 4 is correct and 2 is wrong. Now once again. Ready, please. Ready. 0. 0, please. 0. Listen carefully, please. Concentrate. Ready. Plus 3. Plus 1. I say plus 3 and plus 1. Good. Now minus 3. Answer is 1. 1. 4 is wrong. 1 is correct. Now once again, please listen carefully. This is last digit. This is last digit for you. Okay. This is last digit. Single digit for you. Now please listen carefully. Matyunjay, Vihan, ready? Ready. Listen carefully. Ready, please. Plus 2. Plus 1. Once again, plus 1. Then minus 3. No, this is wrong. Minus 3 wrong. This is correct. Plus 4. Then minus 3. This is wrong. This is plus 4. Then minus 3. This is correct. Okay. Now answer is 1. Okay. 1 is correct. Good job. Now we are doing double digit. Now we are doing double digit on finger. Okay. Are you ready? Double digit. Good. Now we are using both hands. Ready, please. Good. Very good. We are doing double digit addition, subtraction. Okay. Ready, please. 2 to 22. Okay. Good. Now 3, 3, 33. Okay. Very good. Now 4, 4, 44. Okay. Very good. Now 5, 5, 55. Very good. Now 6, 6, 66. Very good. Now 7, 7, 77. Okay. Very good. Now 8, 8, 88. Very good. Your finger movement is very well. Good, beta. Now this is 9, 9, 99. Okay. Very good. Now 0, 0, 00. Okay. Good. Ready, please. Now 0, 0. Now we are doing addition, subtraction. Now double digit. Ready, please. Listen carefully, please. Ready? I say plus 22. Good. Now plus 11. Very good. Your finger movement is very well. Shia, very good, beta. Good job. Matyunjay, very good. Now minus 33. Thumb up. Please check your thumb position. Very good. Now plus 22. Very good. Then plus 11. Answer is 33. 33 is correct. Oh, very good. Now once again, please listen carefully, please. We are doing double digit. Okay. Now ready, please. Once again, ready. Listen carefully, please. Concentrate. Now ready. We are doing double digit. Plus 1 plus 1. I say plus 1 plus 1. Answer is 2. You are doing plus 11 plus 11. Oh, so sad. Okay, abacus is brain game. Please concentrate and enjoy. Okay, now once again, ready, please. Don't copy. Listen carefully. Okay, now ready, please. Are you ready? 0, please. 0, 0, 0. Marjunjay, 0, please. Ready. Plus 44. Double digit. We are doing CR double digit. 4, 4, 44. 4, 4, 44. I say plus 44. Good. Minus 44. Good. Plus 11. Then plus 11. Minus 22. Plus 3. I say plus 3. Sia is correct. Ahad is correct. And Abhiram is correct. Vihan, you are 33. I say only last digit. I say only 3. Okay, not 33. 3 is correct. Okay, good job. Okay, beta. And now, thank you so much. And now, how can abacus beats 1 to 9? Okay, let's start our abacus counting. Beta. Okay, now we are done abacus counting. How can we 1, 2, 3, 4, 9? Good. Now this is abacus. Okay, this is abacus. This is lower beats. And this is upper beats. Okay, upper beats value is 5. Okay, upper beats value is 5. 5 means all the best. Okay, all our beats value is 5 and all our beats value is 1, 1, 1, 1. Lower beats, each beats value is 1, 1. Okay, good. Now this is 1 beat up. This is 1. This is 2 beat up. This is 2. Now this is 3 beat up. Very good. Now this is 4 beat up. Very good. Now this is 0. This is 0. Very good. Now this is 5. Upper beats value is 5. Very good. Now 5, 1, 6. This is 5. This is 1, 6. Okay. Very good. Now 5, 2, 7. 5, 2, 7. Okay. Very good. Now 5, 3, 8. 5, 3, 8. Very good. Your finger movement is very good. Very good. Now this is 9. 5, 4, 9. Okay. Very good. Now this is 1. Okay. Upper beats value is 1. This is 1. This is 5 and this is 1. Okay. Very good. Now this is 2. 1 and 2. This is 1, this is 2. Okay? Now 1, 2, 3. This is 3. 3 beat up. Now answer is 3. Okay? Very good. Now this is 4. 1 beats, 2, 3 and 4. This is 4. Okay? This is 4. Very good. Now how can 5? Upper beats value is 5. This is 5. Only upper beats. Okay. This is 5. Look like this is 5. This is not 5. Okay. This is not 5. Vihan, this is not 5. This is 5 beta. Okay. All the best. Very good. Now, this is 5 and 1, 6. This is 5 and 1, 6. 5, 1, 6. 6 means smile. Okay, very good. Now, this is 7. 5, 6, and 7. Okay. Now 5, 2, 7. This is 5 and 2, 7. 7 means gun. Very good. Now, this is 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now this is 8. Clear? Very good. This is 8. This is 5 and this is 3. 5, 3, 8. This is last digit. This is last digit. Okay. Good. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay. Now this is 9. Okay. Now all upper bits down and lower bits up. Answer is 9. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now tell me please. Vihan, please turn on your mic. Vihan, please turn on your mic.
Yes.
Vihan, answer on tool.
1.
Oh, very good. Now,
3.
oh, very good. 3 is correct. Okay, good. Anyone, please, anyone kids, you have, can ask, please, demo class and yeah, continue. Continue. Are you enjoying? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Now, thank you, Ron. Thank you. Shia, please. Shia, where are you, Shia? Shia, please tell me answer on tool. What is your answer? Please tell me. Turn on your mic and please tell me what is answer on tool.
1.
1. Oh, very good. Thank you. Thank you, Beta. Now,
3.
very good. This is 3. 1, 2, 3. Now this is 3. 1, 2, 3. Thank you, Shia, Beta. Thank you. Now, Abhiram, please tell me answer is on
6.
tool. Sorry.
6.
Oh, very good. 6 is correct. Thank you, Beta. Very good. Now, this is last digit for you, Abhiram. Please tell me. Answer is
8.
Oh, very good. 8 is correct. Thank you, Abhiram. Thank you. Now, Art, please tell me answer on tool. Answer on tool.
5.
Oh, very good. Very good. Beta. Now,
3.
very good. Thank you. Now, thank you, Beta. Thank you. Thank you. Now, Matunjay, please. Matunjay, please. Matunjay, please turn on your mic and please tell me what is answer on tool. You can raise your finger. 9. Okay. This is 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Good. Thank you, Beta. Now, Senthil, I think, what is your name? Please turn on your mic and please tell me answer on tool.
7.
Oh, very good. 7 is correct. Thank you, Beta. Very good. You are very intelligent. Good. Now,
5.
oh, very good. Thank you, Beta. Thank you. Everyone, thank you. Okay. Good. I think all are clear. It's okay. 1, 2, 3. All are clear. Now, how can addition subtraction? This is last. This is last session. We are. This is last session. How can addition subtraction with finger and with tool? Okay. Good. This is 3. This is 1. -2 and +1. Okay. T means tool, F means finger. First of all, we solve sum by tool, then solve by finger. Okay. Now, first of all, T means tool. This is tool. Now +3, 3 bit up. Okay. Good. Now +1. This is +1. Okay. Now this is -2. This is -2. Okay. Good. Now +1. This is plus 1. Answer is, please raise your finger. Please tell me what is the answer. Very good. Oh, thank you, beta. 3 is correct. This is 3. Answer by tool. Okay, now F means finger. Now we are using finger. Plus 3, 3 finger up. Now plus 1. This is plus 1. Now this is minus 2. This is minus 2. Now plus 1. This is plus 1. Answer is 3. Oh, very good. Now this is 3. It means 100% answer is correct. Okay? Okay, good. Good. Thank you. This is our demo class. This is our demo class. Okay. And tomorrow we will learn how can use a tool. How can use tool and how can use a book. How can fill up book. This type book you can use. You can see this type book. We will send you after. Okay, how can you use finger? How can you draw the beads value in the book? Look like this type book. We will send you. Okay, and draw the beads. You can see. Okay, this is book, and after this is tool. Okay, tomorrow we learn how can use a tool and how can fill up a book. Okay, please tell me, are you enjoying? Okay, okay. Thank you so much. And this is now Jess, Carolina sister. Please play the video demo classes. Okay. Now.
कुलदीप जी, ये वॉइस ऑडिबल नहीं है, तो आपकी तरफ से प्ले करके दिखाइए ना बच्चों को.
हाँ, ओके ओके. जस्ट थोड़ा सा मेरे को समय चाहिए. वेट प्लीज.
अच्छा, you can just take, because the kids are curious what that the child is doing there. So the kids wants to know exactly, right, kids?
Yes.
Okay, let's wait and see like what actually this kid is doing, right? Let's wait for a while. Sir is going to